Today on 21st Century Business, explore state-of-the-art technology, innovative business strategies, insights from cutting-edge corporations around the globe, a visionary look into the answers of tomorrow, today. Business leaders, business solutions, 21st Century Business.
When people talk about reducing dependence on foreign oil and reducing greenhouse gases, they're usually talking about vehicles and vehicles' engines. But in the trucking industry, one element that can help achieve the desired result is often overlooked, and that's the trailer. Here to explain is Herbert Golding, president of Aero-Ficient. Welcome, Herbert.
Thank you, Jackie. Nice to be here with you.
Judging by the name of your company, it sounds like you're talking aerodynamics. Most big rigs aren't aerodynamic?
No, they never have been. We've been hauling freight in this country pretty much the same way since the beginning. Used to be horse and wagon. And although we've done a great deal to improve the horse piece of the puzzle, it's a far more aerodynamic tractor today and exceedingly fuel efficient. But we've done very little with the box that falls behind.
Sure.
It's still pretty much a rectangular box designed to haul freight. What our company has effectively done is design, engineer, and applies a series of structures to that box to make it an aerodynamic vehicle.
So tell us about Aero-Ficient itself and how long you've been doing this new work.
I've been doing it for quite a while. The co-inventors are Mr. Peter Heppel and Jim Riemann, and we've held the patents for some period of time for these devices. But in theory, they were developed in order to manage the airflow which comes off of the tractor and over the top and around the sides and underneath the trailer body itself, so that it indeed is managed all the way through the process and therefore reduces the amount of drag that's created from that airflow.
And reduces the amount of gas, reduces the amount of money.
It directly reduces the amount of drag, and therefore that correlates to a reduction in the amount of fuel that is consumed by the tractor because it doesn't have to work as hard in order to haul that freight. That translates not just to a reduction in the quantity of fuel, but the amount of greenhouse gases and carbon dioxide and those other elements.
Well, it sounds like a very flexible solution, and to see it in action, let's go to this 21st Century Business field report.
Fuel consumption of heavy-duty trucks is both costly and detrimental to the environment. To address these issues, Aero-Ficient enhances the truck's aerodynamics, thereby reducing the wind drag of the truck, resulting in less effort by the engine to move the truck down the road. The result? Lower fuel consumption. Aero-Ficient offers 3 products that meet its strict standards and achieve its goal: a front gap fairing, side skirt fairings, and a rear fairing. Used together, there is no aerodynamic product available today that will generate the savings of the Aero-Ficient system.
So if we minimize aero drag, we also minimize splash and spray. Very good public image.
Each fairing is a remarkable achievement for its simplicity, notwithstanding the complexity of its design. Designed so unique that 2 U.S. and multiple foreign patents have been issued on the rear fairing, and multiple U.S. and foreign patent applications are pending on the front and side fairing.
Now, add-on trailer devices have been designed to increase fuel economy by up to 11%. Now, that's a full package design, but even just the skirts alone have increased fuel efficiency up to 6%. A little bit of added extra weight, but a whole bunch of fuel savings.
Aero-Ficient was created to develop simple, functional, and durable products to improve the aerodynamic efficiency of heavy-duty trucks and thereby save truckers money. With their innovative solutions, they are doing just that. For 21st Century Business, I'm Steve Michaels reporting.
Herbert, describe your system in detail. Now, there are 3 parts, correct?
What our system does is add a series of structures to that trailer which manage the airflow in such a way that it reduces the amount of drag over the entire scope of the instrument. Much like an airplane has a very formed cone to it on the cockpit and a very smooth fuselage, and then indeed at the rear it comes to a very tapered rear. We've done the same thing and treated that trailer much as you treat the fuselage of an airplane. so that the airflow continues all the way through that particular tractor-trailer combination.
Herbert, obviously reducing drag means better fuel economy, but do you have any statistics that demonstrate how much better it is with the aero-efficient fairings?
Let me see if I can use an example. One of the national trucking fleets currently uses for this last year $25 million of fuel in a physical month. They have installed a set of technologies, a single technology, which has generated a 4+ % savings. In the course of that same year, that technology itself has generated a savings of 7 million gallons of fuel for that company. That translates to 77,000 tons of carbon dioxide, which is not put into the atmosphere. Our particular technology saves 10 to 12%, which is 2.5 to 3 times as much as that technology does.
Wow, that's incredible. And truckers, how receptive have they been to this idea?
On the tests that this has been over the road, they have been phenomenally impressed. They've stopped this product on the side of the road to ask. So truckers seem to be very receptive to this, providing we could and have taken care of their operational concerns and the damage concerns that they have during operation.
Well, it sounds like the aero-efficient fairings save money, save fuel, and cause less pollution, and it just seems like a really creative 21st century solution. So thanks for sharing it with us.
It's been a pleasure to be here with you today.
And thank you for watching. For 21st Century Business, I'm Jackie Bales.